This week's First Case Expert Series episode, entitled Maintenance Scheduling, was written by asset recovery expert Ashley Jackson, Vice President of Business Development at Mazree. Once the equipment is in and ready for use, focus is shifted to maintaining the equipment. The assets of a hospital must be maintained, and their condition needs to be reported to the hospital management periodically. Medical equipment can seem boring. It sits in the corner, quietly doing its job, never complaining or asking for anything in return. However, each device serves a crucial role in patient care and cannot be forgotten. Whether it's a vital signs monitor used to identify early warning signs, an X-ray used for diagnoses, or a defibrillator waiting for the unfortunate moment when it's needed to bring a patient back, each device needs to be in working order 100% of the time and ready to be used in an instant. Preventative maintenance is how we make sure of this. Proper maintenance is essential for the longevity and reliability of medical equipment. It not only helps to prevent breakdowns and costly repairs, but it also ensures that the equipment is safe for patients and healthcare workers to use. With an overwhelming number of varied devices within the hospital, maintenance scheduling becomes imperative to effectively maintain every device. There are many different factors at play when establishing a plan for maintenance: existing vendor service agreements, biomedical engineering team skill set, access to spare equipment, ability to take your equipment out of service, complexity and time required to complete the PM, and maintenance frequency. Typically, the OEM's, original equipment manufacturer, maintenance frequency requirements are based on a fixed time period, but there are cases where equipment usage is used as an indicator of how often a device needs to be maintained. Maintenance scheduling is not one-size-fits-all. Thus, a comprehensive CMMS, computerized maintenance management software, is required to effectively track maintenance and service performed. Thanks for listening to this episode of the First Case Expert Series. For more asset lifecycle management questions and answers, you can contact Ashley at ashley.jackson@mazree.com.